Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to draw rectangle, polygon and ellipse command in AutoCAD program. So firstly we are going to know how to draw rectangle. So to draw rectangle you have two ways. Firstly you define the first corner and the second corner of rectangle. So the program is asking me specify first corner point. So then specify other corner. This is first corner and this is the last corner. This is the way how to draw rectangle by defining first corner and the last corner. Also, the second way to draw the rectangle is to writing the value of length and width of rectangle. For example, 45 is the length and width 28, for example. This is how to draw, for example, okay, 55 the length and 25 the width. This is two way how to draw rectangle. So secondly we are going to know how to draw polygon. Polygon, as you know, polygon has side and center. Program is asking enter the number of sides. For example, I enter 3 sides and I define the center. Here you have two condition. You will choose first one or second one. So as you see, this is polygon with 3 sides. So if I changing the number of sides, 4 for example, and I specify the center. Here this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I changing the number to the 5, number of sides to the 5, then I choose the last condition. As you see, this is a 5. So if I change into the 6, enter, specify, as you see. So if I change into the 7, the number of sides, enter, inscribe it on a circle. So this is the way how to draw polygon by changing the number of sides and by defining the center of polygon. Okay, now we are going to know how to draw ellipse. So ellipse is like drawing circle, but the difference is ellipse have two radius and the circle have constant radius. So ellipse have different radius and it have angle. So as you see, specify center of ellipse, then specify the axis. As you see, you able to move as you or to rotating as you like. So as you see, if come here, have two radius. This radius is 16.3 and this radius is 12.8. So ellipse with axis in. So as you see, specify the other end point. Okay, as you see, here it's equal 18.1 and this side is this radius is 60.2. So if I draw a circle here, circle have constant radius, as you see from here 60.6, from here also 60.6, from here also 60.6, and from this point also 60.6. So the radius to the radius of circle will be constant, but the radius of ellipse is different from each point. So here you have the elliptical arc, also the same like the arc which we draw in the previous video, but the difference is angle, as you see. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys.